followed Natalie, just got off a bike ride, and I finally nagged her to do a kit video of what she rides on a typical day in Spain and what other kits she might need with us.
So warm. I like to be warm, and in Spain it's warm. Yay. That's awful.
Malcolm.
Probably best to take your gloves off first. I'm not making this easy. Yeah, I've got to take my gloves off first. I can't get it off. I can't feel anything.
Do you want to do take two?
Yes. Come on then, old man.
Hang on. Okay. Hi. Well.
Then what happens then?
Then. Welcome to Motorcycle Tours to Spain. Top tips.
Get out of my frame.
Finally. What about your leggings?
Yes.
Have they got a kite mark on them?
They got a kite mark on them. Well, they rev it, so I would imagine so. I don't know. What am I looking for?
Okay, I've got a kit video of what she rides on a typical day in Spain.
Along, and you can see me. Woo!
High visibility. The UK, riding your bike to Plymouth.
The bad bit, you mean? The whole flipping lot. It's got its own armour. It's got shoulder armour. That's not your shoulder, that's your elbow. Elbow. And just want to take it off.
With the gloves on, you're not.
Armour, and they've got hip armour. Very important, obviously. Don't want to break my hips. No, that was silly. What's your thing to say? Clip that bit.